Welcome back to SpeakAlong English.
This is day 2 of our 5-day English shadowing challenge. Shadowing means you listen carefully and repeat the sentences out loud as you hear them. Today's sentences are a little longer and closer to real spoken English. Take your time. Stay relaxed. Now, get comfortable. Listen, repeat. Speak along with confidence. Let's begin. Speaking English feels easier than yesterday. Speaking English feels easier than yesterday. I learn better when I practice out loud. I learn better when I practice out loud. I am proud of myself for continuing this challenge. I am proud of myself for continuing this challenge. I speak English with more comfort today. I speak English with more comfort today. I trust my ability to learn and improve. I trust my ability to learn and improve. I am developing a strong speaking habit. I am developing a strong speaking habit. I stay calm while speaking English. I stay calm while speaking English. I notice my progress with each session. I notice my progress with each session. I feel motivated to keep going. I feel motivated to keep going. I speak English more clearly with practice. I speak English more clearly with practice. I enjoy hearing my own English voice. I enjoy hearing my own English voice. I am learning to speak without fear. I am learning to speak without fear. I feel more confident expressing myself. I feel more confident expressing myself. I allow myself to learn naturally. I allow myself to learn naturally. I am focused and present during practice. I am focused and present during practice. My pronunciation improves step by step. My pronunciation improves step by step. I am becoming comfortable with longer sentences. I am becoming comfortable with longer sentences. I stay patient while learning new sounds. I stay patient while learning new sounds. I feel proud of my effort today. I feel proud of my effort today. Practice even when I feel unsure. Practice even when I feel unsure. I am developing strong speaking skills. I am developing strong speaking skills. I am more confident than before. I am more confident than before. I speak English with a relaxed mind. I speak English with a relaxed mind. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I feel stronger every time I speak. I feel stronger every time I speak. I am learning to think in English. I am learning to think in English. I practice without judging myself. I practice without judging myself. I am building fluency slowly and steadily. I am building fluency slowly and steadily. I stay positive during my learning journey. I stay positive during my learning journey. I am confident enough to speak out loud. I am confident enough to speak out loud. I learn from listening and repeating carefully. I learn from listening and repeating carefully. I am improving my English naturally. I am improving my English naturally. I feel comfortable trying new sentences. I feel comfortable trying new sentences. I stay consistent with my practice routine. I stay consistent with my practice routine. I am speaking more smoothly today. I am speaking more smoothly today. I focus on communication, not perfection. I focus on communication, not perfection. I trust my progress, even if it feels slow. I trust my progress, even if it feels slow. I am developing clear pronunciation habits. I am developing clear pronunciation habits. I feel encouraged by my effort. I feel encouraged by my effort. I speak English with growing confidence. I speak English with growing confidence. I am learning how English sounds naturally. I am learning how English sounds naturally. I feel more relaxed when I speak now. I feel more relaxed when I speak now. I allow my skills to grow over time. I allow my skills to grow over time. I am learning to speak without translating. I am learning to speak without translating. I practice because I care about improvement. I practice because I care about improvement. I am becoming more fluent with each session. I am becoming more fluent with each session. I enjoy the rhythm of spoken English. I enjoy the rhythm of spoken English. I feel proud for showing up again today. I feel proud for showing up again today. I am building a strong foundation. I am building a strong foundation. I speak English clearly and calmly. I speak English clearly and calmly. I trust myself when I speak. I trust myself when I speak. I feel motivated to continue learning. I feel motivated to continue learning. I speak English with more natural flow. I speak English with more natural flow. I learned something useful in every session. I learned something useful in every session. I am comfortable repeating sentences out loud. I am comfortable repeating sentences out loud. I feel confident practicing alone or with others. I feel confident practicing alone or with others. I stay focused on progress, not mistakes. I stay focused on progress, not mistakes. I am developing better listening skills. I am developing better listening skills. I feel more confident each time I speak. I feel more confident each time I speak. I enjoy the process of learning English. I enjoy the process of learning English. I am training my ear and my voice together. I am training my ear and my voice together. I speak with intention and clarity. I speak with intention and clarity. I feel more connected to the language. I feel more connected to the language. I am improving my rhythm and timing. I am improving my rhythm and timing. I speak with more control today. I speak with more control today. I trust that practice will help me grow. I trust that practice will help me grow. I am proud of my dedication. I am proud of my dedication. I stay relaxed while speaking English. I stay relaxed while speaking English. I am building confidence sentence by sentence. I am building confidence sentence by sentence. I speak English with less hesitation now. I speak English with less hesitation now. I am becoming more comfortable expressing ideas. I am becoming more comfortable expressing ideas. I enjoyed challenging myself a little more today. I enjoyed challenging myself a little more today. I feel confident repeating longer sentences. I feel confident repeating longer sentences. I am learning to speak smoothly. I am learning to speak smoothly. I stay calm when I make mistakes. I stay calm when I make mistakes. I focus on communication, not speed. I focus on communication, not speed. I am strengthening my speaking muscles. I am strengthening my speaking muscles. I believe in my ability to improve. I believe in my ability to improve. I feel proud of my daily practice. I feel proud of my daily practice. I speak English with growing ease. I speak English with growing ease. I enjoy listening and repeating together. I enjoy listening and repeating together. I am learning how sentences flow naturally. I am learning how sentences flow naturally. I feel confident continuing this challenge. I feel confident continuing this challenge. I am practicing with patience and care. I am practicing with patience and care. I stay committed to my learning goal. I stay committed to my learning goal. I speak English with more awareness now. I speak English with more awareness now. I am developing long-term speaking confidence. I am developing long-term speaking confidence. I enjoy hearing my improvement. I enjoy hearing my improvement. I trust the learning process. I trust the learning process. I am building strong English habits. I am building strong English habits. I feel more confident than yesterday. I feel more confident than yesterday. I enjoy practicing every day. I enjoy practicing every day. I speak English with confidence and calm. I speak English with confidence and calm. I am learning to speak naturally. I am learning to speak naturally. I am proud of my consistency. I am proud of my consistency. I am making real progress. I am making real progress. I stay motivated to continue. I stay motivated to continue. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am becoming a confident English speaker. I am ready for the next level. I am ready for the next level. Well done. You've completed day 2 of the 5-day English shadowing challenge. Your confidence is growing. Your English is improving. Come back tomorrow for day 3, where the sentences will feel even more natural and conversational. Before you leave, please subscribe to SpeakAlong English. Like this video if you practiced today and share it with someone who wants to speak English confidently. Keep going. You are doing great. See you tomorrow.